CIT Bank just changed everything for savings accounts, and other banks better start doing this same thing. Otherwise, they're going to get left behind. If you subscribe to this channel, then you know that we used to have our savings emergency fund at an American Express high yield savings account, but recently moved it for basically a higher APY that was being offered by CIT Bank. Now, that account was the Savings Connect account, and it just had its APY increase to 4.5%. And just in case if you don't know, you do need a minimum of $100 to open a Savings Connect account with CIT. However, there are no monthly fees and there are no minimum balance requirements once you open that account. One important feature of CIT's Savings Connect account is that it is not a tiered system, meaning whatever you deposit into that account that continues to grow will earn that 4.5% or whatever the APY is at the time that you're seeing this, because you should know, if you don't know, that the APY that's being offered today by all these different high yield savings accounts, by all these different banks, will come down eventually, and you can expect it to change day to day, month to month, year to year. But some big news recently, CIT Bank started offering a new savings account, which some of you with higher balances I think will appreciate. It's called the Platinum Savings Account. The Platinum Savings Account is currently offering a 4.75% APY. That's 25 basis points more than the Savings Connect account, more than I'm currently getting with my high yield savings account at CIT Bank. Now, anything with the word platinum in it has to be the best, right? Has to be perfect. Well, not so fast, because the Platinum Savings Account that is offered by CIT Bank is a tiered savings account. So to get that 4.75% APY, you do have to maintain a balance of at least $5,000. And just like CIT Bank's Savings Connect account, you do need a minimum of $100 to open a Platinum Savings account. However, there are no monthly fees for that account. And I get this question a lot about the reliability of CIT Bank. How safe is it to use CIT Bank for a savings account? Well, CIT Bank has been around since 1908 and recently merged with First Citizens Bank, which is a member of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, the FDIC, which means your deposit accounts are insured up to $250,000 per depositor for each account ownership category. Now, a really good question is, what happens if that balance in that Platinum Savings account does fall below $5,000? Well, the yield you would earn would fall to 0.25%. That's a huge drop in my opinion. But I suspect that the target customer for the Platinum Savings account is going to be different than the target customer for the Savings Connect account. So who is the Platinum Savings account for? Personally, I would say for people who don't have any issues maintaining a balance of $5,000 or more, because you're going to be able to earn an additional 25 basis points. Unless you're still in the early stages of saving and investing, I don't see any reason why you wouldn't want to go for the Platinum Savings account with CIT over the Savings Connect account. And by the way, affiliate links to sign up for either savings account is going to be in the description. So if you use those links, even if you don't, that's fine. But if you do, it definitely helps the channel out so I can be able to bring more content like this to you. Now, personally, I already know that we have some major expenses coming up. Side note, home ownership is awesome. However, it can be expensive. So because of that, I'd rather have the CIT Savings Connect account where I won't have to worry about not earning a high APY just because my balance might drop to $100 or $200. And by the way, the 4.5% APY that you get with that Savings Connect account is nothing to sneeze at, not at all. 4.5% is still way higher than anything you're going to be able to get at most brick and mortar traditional banks. So I'm very happy with what we're currently receiving with that Savings Connect account. And because of these expenses that we know are coming up, there's very little reason for us to just all of a sudden make that change to the other account. What do y'all think? Whichever you choose, it's definitely a great opportunity to start saving, especially if you're trying to get to that first $100,000, which I talk about in the video on the screen. Go check that out. Otherwise, check out the other video on the screen where I talk about the 4 stages of becoming a millionaire. Peace.